Select the major product for the following substitution reaction. So if we are considering a substitution reaction, we have two possible pathways. We have the SN1 pathway, which is the stepwise pathway, and this tends to occur when we have substrates that can form stable carbocations like tertiary alkyl halides. The SN2 pathway is the concerted pathway, and this tends to take place with unhindered alkyl halides, things like methyl primary or secondary alkyl halides. And so if we take a look at the alkyl halide we are starting with, it is a secondary alkyl halide. So that means that we are looking at this concerted SN2 pathway. And so the nucleophile that we have, we have sodium. Whenever we see sodium as a counterion, we should recognize that as an alkali metal, it's going to be positively charged. So we will have sodium plus, which means that we have SH with a negative charge. Okay, and so where you see that negative charge, that's our nucleophile for this reaction. So I'm going to draw it over here. And in the SN2 mechanism, this nucleophile needs to approach from 180 degrees away from that leaving group. So I'm showing it coming from the opposite side. And what that's going to do is it's going to invert the chirality at that center. So that means that the product will still have the same 5-carbon atom chain. This new thiol that we're forming is going to be on a dashed line because it came from the opposite side of where that chloride was. And we have another chiral center here. We're not showing anything reacting at that center, so there's no reason that that would change. So that methyl group was going into the plane of the page, and it is still going into the plane of the page. And so the correct answer here is D.